ఓకే సాయి శ్రీ కుర్తా సరే సే ఎనీ టూ పార్ట్స్ ఫేస్ లో ఉండే మనకు టూ పార్ట్స్ చెప్పు డూ యూ హ్యావ్ ఫేస్ నో వెరీ గుడ్
nose,
వెరీ గుడ్
ears,
వెరీ గుడ్
mouth,
వెరీ గుడ్
teeth.
వెరీ గుడ్ సూపర్ అమ్మా ఓకే I did not expect the answer but you told the answer very good Sai Srikurta very good super amma okay next
Sir, my homework.
okay Jahid we have to send Google Classroom nana I will tell you later how to send okay just close your video Jahid say now say our hands parts how many fingers we have 10 fingers okay do you have shoulder yes by using shoulder in your life what are the uses by using the shoulder what are the uses in your life
Bag. Carry the bag.
yeah when you are going to the school you have to carry the bag yes yeah very good okay just keep on mute guys
Carry.
don't say others answer okay yeah this is Deepika Chaudhary say once your name amma
Shraddha, sir.
okay
Shraddha Chuppu.
Yes.
Shraddha
Good morning,
yes.
sir.
Good morning Shraddha you don't want to speak to with me నువ్వు మాట్లాడవు నాకు మాట్లాడవా మరి ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ యూ ఆర్ నాట్ సేయింగ్ okay okay Shraddha just keep on mute okay now I am taking attendance just say yes sir okay ఎవరి పేరైతే రాలేదో they will tell later okay yeah M Ganesh
Yes, sir.
Srujan G Srujan
Yes, sir.
Srihit Gaur
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Vanya Sahu
Yes, sir.
Sai Srikurta Sai Srikurta
Yes, sir.
okay Srujan just keep on mute Aryan Gaur
Yes, sir.
okay Aryan Gaur just keep on mute Harshit
Yes, sir.
next Jahid
Sir.
Mahati
Yes, sir.
next Shraddha
Shraddha.
okay
Yes,
Sai
sir.
Srikurta అయిపోయింది ఓకే ఇంకా ఎవరి పేరు రాలేదు చెప్పండి ఒకసారి
Sir, I not.
సే యువర్ నేమ్
Akshara.
యా అక్షర ఇంకెవరు రాలేదు What, Nana? What is the name?
P. Srujan.
P. Sujan. Okay. Next. ఇంకా అందరు వచ్చేసినట్టే కదా. యా, ఇంకో గణేష్ ఉన్నాడా? ఇంకో గణేష్, ఎం గణేష్ ఒకటి, పి గణేష్, ఇంకెవరు ఉన్నారా? యా, డన్. సరే, చూడండి, జస్ట్ ఎవ్రీబడి షుడ్ అబ్జర్వ్ ద స్క్రీన్. ఐఎమ్ ప్రజెంటింగ్ మై స్క్రీన్. ఓకే. Okay, Nana, sorry for the disturbance. It is network problem. Okay. Yeah. See, it's screen my available. My screen, everybody see once.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Sir, my phone is not charging.
Oh no. Okay. See, Nana, you are getting my voice, everybody?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Today's I'm going to explain chapter 2, Nana. That is my body. Already in last class we discussed about our body. Yes, yeah. Today's there is topic is knowing about body parts. We know some body parts. Okay, we know total body parts. We know face of the body parts. We know mouth of the body parts. There is different body parts there. Okay, somebody told there is face of the body parts. Like
Sir, your voice
face of the
is
body
touching.
parts.
Sir, you are touching. Sir, your voice is touching.
Yeah, okay. That is network problem, Nana. You can just understand. Okay. Okay, my screen is available there.
Sir, your voice is touching.
Okay. Just everybody should keep on mute. Don't worry. I will explain double. Don't worry. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It is network problem. It's rain is coming. No, that's why it is problem. Okay. I will explain double. Yeah. Okay. We have face of body part. Face of parts like hair. Hair is hair, not air. Hair, hair. HAIR, hair. This is face of part. Eyes, checks, chin,
Sir, your screen
nose.
is not able to see.
It's available అన్న. It's screen. నా పేరు పైన టైప్ చేయండి. There is కొత్త కాపు పండర్. No, you should click on my name. Okay. Yeah. Forehead. Okay, this part of face. Eyebrows. This part of face. Nose. Chin. Cheeks. Cheeks means champalu. Okay, cheeks means champalu. Chin means మనం ఏమంటాం?
Gadava.
ఎస్, గదవా, లేకపోతే గదవ అని అంటాం. ఐబ్రోస్. ఓకే, హెయిర్. దిస్ ఈస్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఫేస్ నాన్న. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ స్పేస్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ మౌత్. There is tongue. Okay, tongue is a part of mouth. Lips is a part of mouth. Teeth also part of mouth. Okay, this is tongue, lips, teeth, mouth. This is part of mouth. Okay, yeah. Hair, eyes, cheeks, chin, nose, eyebrows, forehead. This is part of face. Okay, yeah.
Face.
Nana, Jaid. See here, functions of our hands. Okay, functions of our hands. By using our hands, we are doing some works. Yes, like writing. Yes, carrying some things. Okay, you can draw anything by using hands. We can write with our hands. Okay, by using hands you can write anything like this. You can write anything. She's writing something, she's there. Yes, yeah. By using hands we can write. Okay, and we can hold with our hands. Okay, by using hands we can hold. Hold means పట్టుకోవడం. Hold means పట్టుకోవడం ఏదైనా. If you have apple, if you have ball, if you have pen, how you will write? You will hold pen, then you will write. Okay, without hold we cannot catch anything, we cannot hold things, we cannot write. Okay, how you will read? We will hold the book and we will read. Yes, yeah, that is, we can hold the with our hands. Okay, next, and by using hands we will eat. Yes, by using hands we are eating every day in your life. Yes, we can eat with our hands. Yes, what is doing?
Eating.
Eating kada? Yeah, very good. And
Eat lunch.
what is
Eating
doing?
lunch.
What is doing? Next person.
Eating lunch.
Next.
Playing. Eating lunch.
Yeah, we can pick with our hands. We can pick with our hands. Yes, we can pick. Pick అంటే పట్టుకోవడం. Hold అంటే దాన్ని పట్టుకోవడం. Pick అంటే ఇట్లా అందుకోవడం, తీసుకోవడం. Okay, తీసుకోవడం. We can pick that. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఎట్లా చెప్తాం? Suppose just Sujan take the box అన్నాం అనుకో, he will try to take the box. That is picking. He is ready to pick. అంటే pick తీసుకోవడం. Okay, yeah. Yes, we can do many things with our hands. Yes, we can do many things with our hands, like eating, hold, picking, write. Okay, see, just keep on mute, Nana. Others just keep on mute. Okay, very good. See here, use of hands and legs together. Ante, at the same time, hands ni, legs ni use chestu what we are doing in our life. Is at the same time we are using hands,
Sitting.
we are
Sitting.
using hands and legs. Yeah, skipping, swimming. Yeah, you should keep on mute, Nana. Yeah, we can skip using both our hands and legs. Okay, we can swim using both our hands and legs. Yeah, see here, we do some things using both our hands and legs, like travel. Travel means ambadam. Ambadam kuda. Ambadam ఎలా ambadam? By using hands and legs. Yes, and exercise. We are using hands and legs. We are doing exercise. Yes, and skipping, swim. Okay, yeah. Okay, see here, use of hands and legs together. Okay, it is also same. March, we can march using both our hands and legs. Okay, and the march means ఎక్కడికైనా వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు కానీ, ఏదైనా ఒక ఉద్యమంలో పాల్గొనేటప్పుడు కానీ, యా, when you are running, when you are walking, when you are jogging, ఇలాంటి మూమెంట్ లో we are using hands and legs. Okay, then I told already we can travel using both our hands and legs. Yes, మనం చిన్న ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేసినాం, in nursery or UKG, LKG, sometimes you will did like this, travel. Yeah, okay. See here, we can exercise. We already discussed it. We can exercise using both hands and legs, and we use our back and shoulders to carry things. Yes, functions of back and shoulders. Shoulders uses to we are carrying bags. Yes, we use our back, and we are using our backside and shoulders to carry things. Shoulders ni, backside ni uses to we are carrying bags when you are going to your school, when you are traveling other places, when you are going to tour. At the moment we are, yeah, picnic.
I'm going to picnic also.
Yeah. At the moment you will use the shoulders, and you will use back part. Yes, yeah. Okay, and see, we use our back and shoulders to carry things also. Not only ట్రిప్ కావచ్చు, మిగతా కావచ్చు, ఇలాంటివి కూడా కావచ్చు. అండ్ దెన్ యూ కెన్ ఏదైనా వస్తువుని పుష్ చేయడానికి, ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ పుష్ ఎనీ థింగ్, యూ విల్ యూజ్ హ్యాండ్స్ అండ్ షోల్డర్స్. ఎస్, అండ్ అవర్ బ్యాక్. అంటే ఎలా సార్ బ్యాక్ ఎలా యూజ్ అవుతుందంటే, when you are pushing to others, when you are pushing to some things, At the moment you are using hands and shoulders and back side or back part. Okay, yeah. See here, we use our back and shoulder to push things. Yes, yeah, yeah. Now you should write, everybody. I will tell you some words. You should write. Take notebook. Everybody should write. Hands. I'm saying with spelling. I will tell you only 3 times. You should write, everybody. HANDS. 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 On screen పైన నేను సర్కిల్ కూడా వేస్తాను. If you want to see, you can. If you want to see, you can. Hands. 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 Okay, done, completed. Huh? Everybody should complete it. Huh? Say once, anyone. Sujan is complete.
Yes, yes, sir. Finished. Yes, sir.
Next,
हो गया.
hold. 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 Everybody should keep on mute, Amma. Hold. 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 Hold.
Yes,
Hold.
sir. Finished.
Okay. Hold అంటే పట్టుకోవడం. Hold. Hold. Next, eat. Next, eat. Nana. Next, eat. 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 Eat.
Sarah done, sir.
Hold. 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 Eat. EAT. Eat.
Done.
Okay. Next, pick. PICK. Pick.
PICK देखा
PICK. Pick.
PICK.
Just keep on mute, child. Pick. 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 Okay. Pick is there. See, everybody. Pick. Rick is here. Okay. Did you complete, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Next,
sir. Yes, sir.
next, skip. Next, skip. 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 Skip.
Sir,
Yeah, very good. You should write everybody. SKIP. Skip. Hands. We already wrote hands. Okay. And you should write both. Both also you can write. Both. 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 Skip. Both. Both. రెండు రాయాలి. Skip. BOTH. Both. బోత్ అంటే నాన్న రెండు రెండు దాని మీనింగ్ రెండు. ఓకే.
sir.
యా. నెక్స్ట్ స్విమ్. స్విమ్. నెక్స్ట్ స్విమ్. స్విమ్. I wrote on screen. Everybody should observe. Swim. 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 అరేన్ గోడ్ రాస్తున్నావా?
Yes.
మహతి.
Yes, sir.
మహతి రాస్తున్నావా?
Yes, sir.
వెరీ గుడ్. శ్రద్ధ. శ్రద్ధ రాస్తున్నావా?
Yes.
వెరీ గుడ్. నెక్స్ట్
Yes,
లెగ్స్.
sir.
నెక్స్ట్ లెగ్స్.
It's WIM, swim.
లెగ్స్. నెక్స్ట్ లెగ్స్.
Sir, I wrote.
ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. నెక్స్ట్ లెగ్స్ నాన్న, లెగ్స్. ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ సి వన్స్ ఆన్ స్క్రీన్. ఓకే. లెగ్స్. లెగ్స్. హియర్ ఈస్ దేర్. ఇక్కడ ఉంది చూడండి. లెగ్స్. ఇక్కడ లెగ్స్.
Legs. Complete, sir.
అక్షర, డిడ్ యు రైటింగ్?
Yes, sir. Complete, sir.
Very good. Yeah. Can I go next?
Completed, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Together. You should write together.
Mommy, together spelling the right.
See here on screen paina. Don't ask your mummy. I am here, no? I am your class teacher, no? Together.
Yes.
TODGEHER. On screen paina chudali. You can see on screen. If you not available there, ask me. Okay, when you are doing homework, at the moment you are asking your mommy and daddy. Otherwise, if you are available in your mobile, call me. I will tell you. together. 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 Okay, complete it. Together.
Yes, sir.
Okay, P. Sujan. P. Sujan, complete it, Nana.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good.
Yes.
Next, M. Ganesh. Completed, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very
I'm
good.
late. I'm late.
Next, travel. Travel. See here. On screen పైన చూడండి. Travel. CRAWL. CRAWL. Travel. Travel. CRAWL. Travel. We can crawl using both our hands and legs.
CRAWA.
Just keep on mute, Nana. Mute lo పెట్టాలి. You should keep on mute. Okay, next. Next, exercise. Exercise is there. See once. On screen పైన చూడండి. Exercise. EXERCISE. Exercise.
Sir, రాయలేదు.
Nana?
సార్ ఈ రాయలేదు.
Okay. Don't worry. I will write. EXE. Good finding. Very good. You should find like this. Ganesh. Gaddalakonda Ganesh.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
You are Gaddalakonda Ganesh, huh?
సార్
Okay. You are saying thank you for finding, kada? Yeah, very good. Exercise. 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 Everybody doing exercise at morning?
ఎస్ సార్. ఎస్ సార్.
Now I will see. Maybe you are woke up till I think 7 to 7:30. But you are saying I will do exercise, sir?
No,
No, everybody wake up early. Yeah, very good. Okay. Next, back. Oh shit. Back. BA. Sorry, wait. See here, BACK, back. BACK, back. BACK, back.
డన్.
Oh, Harshit,
Sir, that-
you are completed.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Sai Sikurta, Rashinava,
Yes, sir.
Vanyasahu,
Yes, sir.
Seven's back spelling, Seven's back spelling.
Sir, I will D-A-C-K.
Yeah, okay. Dude. I'm asking one, but you are saying everybody. Yeah. Next, you should write push. 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 This is you, not we. Push. Fast. Push.
Sir, completed.
Don't push your mobile. Your mobile will be broken. Okay, next, shoulder. See here. Shoulders. Shoulder. After push, shoulder. After push, shoulder. Okay, now we'll do one exercise. Okay, be ready. It's completed, everybody.
No. No, sir.
Right, or yeah, I will wait. Don't worry, but you should complete fast. Shoulder, SHOULDERS, shoulders. Okay, now we will do one exercise. Can I remove this? It's completed, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm removing. Tishasunanu. Can I remove?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. See here. Okay. See. Match the columns by dragging. Okay. Match the column by dragging. See, once there is spellings is front to back front to middle ఇట్లా ఉంటాయి అన్నట్టు. We have to find out. Dragging ఉంటాయి. Dragging means తారుమారు చేసి ఉంటాయి. Vanya Sahu is there? Vanya Sahu?
Yes, sir.
Everybody should listen, Anna. Okay? Yeah. ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ వర్డ్ మీకు రైట్ సైడ్ రో ఉంది కదా, ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఏంది? నోస్ కదా. నోస్ ఈ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ లో ఎక్కడ ఉంది?
Yes, sir.
Nose is there, no?
E-Y-E-I. Left side.
See here. I'm matching here.
Phone number.
Yeah.
Left
See here,
side
first
phone
one.
number.
Yeah, very good. Should see everybody. Hair. H-A-I-R.
Sir, I'm last.
Yes, last. See here. Hair.
Fifth. 5.
Okay. Next. Eyes. I-E-Y. First one, కదా? Yeah, first one.
Yes. First.
See here, I'm matching. Everybody should observe matching. అందుకే ఇట్లా స్క్రోల్ చేస్తున్నా, మీకు కనబడాలని ఇట్లా స్క్రోల్ చేసుకున్నా, తింపినట్టు చేస్తున్నా. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ లెగ్స్. లెగ్.
Fourth
థర్డ్
one.
వన్ కదా, థర్డ్ వన్.
Third one.
థర్డ్
Second.
యా see here, don't shout.
శ్రద్ధ
Next
సార్
year.
అడిగినప్పుడే చెప్పాలి, ఇలా పద్దాక అల్లరి చేయకూడదు.
Just keep on mute. When I'm asking, then only give me. Just don't shout. Itla 4 and arvadu. Sir, second one, last one. Ippudu left side lo second one in this one, last one. See here, I'm matching. Yeah, it's everybody's right answers. ఎందుకంటే సేమ్ కలర్స్ వచ్చినాయి, ఆన్సర్స్ సేమ్ కలర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, రైట్ ఆన్సర్స్ అన్నట్టు. వేరే కలర్స్ ఉంటే ఒకవేళ we did wrong. So it's right, everything is right. Okay, yeah. See, everybody should see what is your homework. Just everybody listen. Andaru vintunara? M Ganesh, Sujan, Pandisu, Sikurta, Harshit, Arengod, Jaid, Mahati, Sadda, Akshara, P. Sujan. Everybody should listen.
Okay, sir.
You wrote some words, no? Just before. Yeah, the words, every word should write 2 times, Nana. Every words like eat, hold, pick, write, march, grovel, exercise, keep, skin, push. These words you have to write 2 times. Each one 2 times. You have to write in your notebook and you have to read. Okay, you have to write it each one 2 times and you have to read. Okay, yeah, that is your homework, Nana. Okay,
What, sir?
ఇప్పటివరకు పదాలు రాసుకున్నాం కదా మనం, ఇప్పటివరకు కొన్ని పదాలు రాసుకున్నాం కదా.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay.
ఆ పదాలని ఒక్కొక్కటి 2 సార్లు రాయాలి.
ఓకే,
ఒక్కొక్కటి 2 సార్లు రాయాలి.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Maybe it's out of time. Yeah, actually I want to show one video. See, once it will coming sound or not, just say me. Hey, what is that? Just say it is coming sound or not. We will discuss next video. And I'm giving this for you. This is free work, Nana. Free work ఏందో తెలుసా మీకు? చెప్తా.
Sir, how many words are there?
Just you have to count. You don't know? Count there. How many words is there? Okay, Nana. See once. Hey, this is free work. I'm giving free work. అంటే నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో మనం ఏం చెప్పుకోబోతున్నాం అనేది ఫ్రీ వర్క్ అంటారు దాన్ని. ఓకే, వీ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రాక్టీస్. సీ ద వీడియో. విచ్ వీడియో? యూట్యూబ్ లో ఏమని కొట్టాలి? మై బాడీ పార్ట్స్ లో సాంగ్ అని కొట్టండి.
My body, what song?
Put a finger on your chest, then put
Okay,
it on
sir.
your nose. ఈ సాంగ్ వస్తుంది. You have to listen the song. Okay? Okay, na?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.